Hello everyone, it's Sean, and this is going to be the latest unboxing video for Sean's model builds. It is the Monogram 24 scale Rambo Combat Chopper. You can see, if I get it back far enough. 1 minute. There! You can see Sylvester Stallone as Rambo on the box right there. Yeah, I'm going to see if I can find out what year it actually is on one of the sides of the box. There you go. 1985. Yeah, so there's the side. It's a bit water damaged or something, I know. There's the other side. There's the front edge. Now you can't see a lot on the front edge, I admit. So I'll just take a look inside. Yeah, the front cover isn't in the greatest shape. But there is the decal sheet. Now it's probably not in the greatest shape, these decals, but you see those stars? I can use the model cement to fix those stars. Well, you know, maybe the decals are in better shape than I thought. Yeah, we'll see. Okay. Yeah, carefully. Oh, emergency decals. Emergency decals. There you go. So you have two decal sheets, so hopefully one of them is in better shape than the other. And of course you have the instructions here. There you go. There you are. See? The instructions. And it has a color guide. Insignia red. That's Tamiya. There's an insignia red for Tamiya light gray. Olive drab. Well, I'll have to find out that. But you can see most of the steps here for putting the chopper together, you know, steps 2, 3, 4, and 5 along the upper edge. Step 6, 7, 8, and 9 along the middle. And steps 10, 11, 12, and 13. So 13, most of the body's assembled and you're just attaching extra stuff. And in step 14 and 15, it looks like you're attaching... Oh, the machine guns, right. And then you get into the painting and the decals. So that's good. So that's the instructions, and then we'll get to the actual model itself. And of course the instructions confirm 1985. So that's good. Alright, so let's see here. I guess this is a piece of the flooring or something. It has all its pegs. None of them are missing. That's good. And of course you have the port side. Wow, 24 scale. Look how long it is. I'm going to have to find something that matches the plastic color. Some kind of paint. And there is the starboard side. So the body is all one piece. That's good. And you see any of this white on here? I can get that off or cover it up with the primer. But you can actually see the rivets. They actually have raised rivets in this nose of the chopper here. That's quite good. Alright, and let's see. Here's one set of skids, or maybe both sets. And of course, here's some little pieces in a little Ziploc bag. See, that's good. All the loose pieces are accounted for. instrument panels and everything. And of course another piece. That might be for inside, you know, backing. Maybe you put parachutes or something there. The clear pieces all in their original bag, look. In fact, they don't come out, which means they have been sealed in this bag for 37 years. It's quite amazing. And then, of course, the sprue parts are loose. But they're still mostly attached, see? The doors and everything. Nothing's missing. It's amazing. Those are probably the helicopter rotor blades there. And, of course, you have some... I don't know what those black pieces are. Let me unhook them. I wouldn't have a clue what they are, but they're numbered parts 201, 200, and 201, so they're obviously used for something. And here's some silver pieces. Now you can see some silver pieces are off the sprue tree. That's true, but so there may be some missing pieces, or maybe they're loose, like maybe those little silver pieces are in here and they just broke off and they put them loose, and there you go. This is an entirely complete silver sprue tree, so that's quite good. And here's a dark sprue tree, and there doesn't appear to be any part missing except part 25, but again, that could be in the loose bag. This is a very large one. If you flip it over, so I'd have to look in the loose bag for parts 1 and 2. Also in there for part 20, part 4, part 76, part 14, and part 59 and 60. But you can see the machine guns at least, see? So, hopefully there's a part legend. Okay, here's a couple loose pieces. This is part 28 through 26. Everything's still on that sprue tree, so that's great. And there's another loose piece. And then here we go. So the only part missing from... oh, that's not a part missing. Every part is on this sprue tree. 39, 37, 41. Some of the parts are really quite intricate. Look at that. Oh, look at these ones. Part 50, part 49. Look how tiny those parts are. Maybe those are pedal assemblies or something. So anyway, that's everything in the model, so I'll put it all